Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will be showing you my new camera that I bought mainly for vlogging, and I got it in Seoul, South Korea. So I will also be telling a bit about where I got it, how much I paid for it, and where you should go if you want to buy a camera in Korea. So before I'm getting into this video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Why? Just because you can. So let's get started. The camera that I got is this one. It is the Canon EOS M3, and you might be thinking, oh my god, why do you get an old camera? Because it came out a while ago, and the reason for that is money. So I do not have the budget or whatever to buy the top-notch cameras, new, came out yesterday type of stuff. So I did get an older one. A friend of mine who's also a YouTuber, she recommended to me. So I looked into it. I thought, yeah, it looks nice. I did some testing with it and then I got it. So it is the M3 and it is basically acting like a DSLR. You can also switch the lenses. I just got one lens with it, the basic one. It is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, and you could also get the 22 if I'm not mistaken. So it's just a 1-point camera lens. I'm filming now with another Canon and it has the 15 millimeter lens. It's just 1 point and that's it. So like I mentioned, I got this one for vlogging. That's also why I wanted to have the possibility to zoom in and out. And you might be thinking, hey Susan, didn't you get a vlogging camera a while back? I did, actually. It's been a few years, so it's not that recently, but I really thought I had a really good camera for vlogging at least, and that is this one. It is the Sony DSC-HX80, and it has this flip screen and it was kind of cute. However, it was a bit getting old or damaged from the inside, I guess, because sometimes it just opens up and then it closes, or I'm filming and all of a sudden the camera shuts down and then opens automatically again. So it was kind of strange and it was hard for me to do anything with it. Also, there is no mount for a microphone, and I was kind of interested in microphones, so I decided I need to switch it up. But I don't want to spend too much money. Then this one came into my life. This one does have the function to put a microphone. It's here. Just take this little thing and then you can put the microphone there. Here you can open it and then connect the microphone, so it's not external stuff, blah blah blah. Then, something that this one has that the other one doesn't is, of course, it has the basic flip screen. However, I can also use it like that and that, which is great because I'm a bit short. So if I want to film something that's higher, I can just put it like this and still be able to watch what I'm actually doing. And a camera that has this feature as well, is a really popular one, is the Canon Shot G7X something. I always forget the name. I wanted that one at first, and then I was like, expensive, so I got this one. But actually, I'm so blessed with this. Also, the screen is touchscreen, which is great. I like it a lot. It's really convenient when I'm filming. I just boom, 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 to focus on that point. This one does not have that either. Well, doesn't have that. This one does. So actually, this is a huge improvement and I'm so happy with it. So to compare these two, I will probably do a little shot of me talking, blah blah blah, or from something, I don't know yet, but I will insert something now so you can see the difference. So right now I am filming with my new camera, and something that I love about this new camera as well is that it is autofocused and that I can send everything through Wi-Fi. So when I'm taking a few pictures, I can send them easily through Wi-Fi with an app to my phone. And you can also use the phone as a sort of remote control for filming or taking pictures. My Sony, actually, well, the one I used to use for vlogging, also had the option to send through Wi-Fi to the phone. However, it never really worked for me. I could never manage to pull it off that it actually happened. But with this one, I already did it a few times. So I'm impressed and I'm happy. So this is the old camera. This one can zoom in even further than what is right now, but I decided this matches kind of the other frames of this video, so I will not be doing that. This camera I haven't been using in a while, so basically all of my recent videos, or like, they are all with my new camera. And I just thought now I should make a video about it. Oh, both this one, this shot, and the previous one with my new one, I did not use a microphone. So whatever you hear is how it is. It is what it is. So yeah. Back to me, we're gonna talk money. So obviously I got it in Korea, so the numbers I'm gonna say are gonna be in Korean won, which is the currency in Korea. But actually, I guess if you're watching this video, you are interested in buying something in Korea, I guess. So it wouldn't be a problem. I got this one secondhand for 280,000 won. So before coming to Seoul, I thought, wow, Korea is the country of electronics. There's gonna be a huge building filled with electronics everywhere you go. I can buy a TV at every corner of this street. But it's not. So at first I was so confused, like, okay, I want to buy a camera, but where should I go? So typically, or like, there are two places that I know of that you can go to for both secondhand and new cameras. And those places are Yongsan, Yongstation. There is underneath the station itself, it's like kind of a mall. And there you can find some sellers, but also if you go outside, there is a store or some stores, vendors kind of, where you can buy cameras as well. I went there the first day to look at some cameras because I was originally also interested in getting a new DSLR for filming this type of videos. And then on the second day I went to Namdaemun Market, and that is where I actually bought this camera, and I got it at the store. It's called Yestika, and it is kind of a famous store, but it's okay. So they're really tiny shops. There's this whole street of all those shops next to each other, typical Korea style. So you have about 20 shops that sell both new and secondhand cameras. So what I did is I made a list beforehand of the cameras that I was interested in, and those I would wanted to like see how they would cost there, what is the condition, can I try them, blah blah blah. So I visited all those shops. I did it together with my really good friend from the Netherlands. Shout out to you, Meltem. And we spent an afternoon there, and then I thought, okay, Yestika is a recommended store there, so I want to go there for sure, but not the first, because I don't want to be distracted by the fact that people are recommending that, oh, it's good, I have to buy there. Well, there might be something else. So I went there last, but eventually it was the store where I did buy this. Oh, not that one, this one. So in the end, it was perfect. When I got it, it had the box with it, it had the charger with it. Everything was perfect. The books came with it. He even had this fabric protecting case thingy for the camera. And yeah, he just said, here's a SD card, go try as much as you need. And it was great, good experience. So if you are on the hunt for a camera, you should definitely check out the Namdaemun Market and then the Yestika store. And if you go to Yongsan, you can also check out many stores, but I do not know any specific store name to recommend. So information about all of this will be in the description box below. Then I guess that's all I wanted to say about this camera. So yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, let me know if you bought a camera here in Korea, if you're interested in buying one. Which camera do you use if you film yourself? Just let me know, and then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, and of course subscribe. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, 100%. So see you in the next video. Bye!